What if I told you this tiny house could give you everything you need without wasting a single inch of space? From the outside, it looks simple, almost too simple, but wait until you step inside. This might just change how you see small living forever. Standing right in front of the house, you immediately notice its clean, modern farmhouse charm. The dark horizontal siding contrasts beautifully with the crisp white trim, giving it a bold yet welcoming look. It's compact, yes, but it doesn't feel cramped. In fact, the proportions are surprisingly balanced. The small front porch adds a cozy touch, with simple railings and a few steps leading up to the entrance. It's the kind of space where you can imagine sitting in the morning with a cup of coffee, enjoying the quiet surroundings. And that white picket fence wrapping around the yard, it completes the picture perfectly. Simple, classic, and incredibly inviting. This home may be small, but it already feels like something special. Now, let's talk about the roof, because it's doing more than just covering the house. The black sloped metal roof adds a modern edge while also being highly practical. Its angle helps with rainwater runoff, making it perfect for different weather conditions. But what really stands out is how the roof extends slightly outward, creating subtle overhangs. This not only protects the walls, but also adds depth and character to the overall design. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. Moving up to the main entrance, you're greeted by a clean and simple white door, centered perfectly under the small porch roof. The glass panel in the door allows natural light to filter inside, making the interior feel brighter right from the entry point. Minimal lighting fixtures on either side add a warm, welcoming glow in the evening, giving the entrance a cozy and polished look. As you step inside, the first thing you notice is how thoughtfully everything is arranged. To your left, a sleek wall-mounted TV sits above a low wooden console, keeping things clean and uncluttered. On the right, a soft, neutral-toned sofa creates a cozy spot to relax. And straight ahead, the space opens up into a compact kitchen and dining area, all seamlessly connected. Despite the limited square footage, it feels open, airy, and incredibly functional. The kitchen is small, but it's beautifully designed. The muted green cabinetry adds a subtle pop of color while still keeping the space calm and modern. The white countertop keeps everything feeling light and clean. You've got all the essentials here: built-in oven, compact fridge, and just enough counter space to prep your meals comfortably. And that small window above the counter, it brings in natural light, making the kitchen feel more open than it actually is. Right next to the kitchen is a simple yet smart dining setup. A wall-mounted table saves space while still giving you a functional place to eat or work. Paired with two minimalist chairs and a small shelf above for decor, it's proof that even the tiniest corner can be both practical and stylish. Now let's head up to the loft bedroom, and this is where the tiny house really starts to feel clever. As you climb the stairs, you'll notice how efficiently the vertical space is used. Instead of spreading everything out, the design builds upward, creating a dedicated sleeping area without sacrificing the main living space below. The loft itself feels cozy but not cramped. A comfortable mattress sits neatly within the space, dressed in soft, neutral bedding that instantly gives off a calm and relaxing vibe. The ceiling is slightly lower here, but that actually adds to the snug, tucked-away feeling, almost like your own private retreat. There's a small window nearby that lets in just enough natural light during the day, making the space feel bright and airy despite its size. And at night, it becomes the perfect quiet corner to unwind. Back down below, the bathroom continues that same smart design approach. It's compact, but every inch is used efficiently. You've got a small sink, a neatly placed toilet, and a simple shower area, all arranged in a way that doesn't feel cramped. Light-colored walls help keep the space bright, while minimal fixtures maintain a clean and modern look. It's functional, practical, and exactly what you need. Nothing more, nothing less. From the outside to the inside, this tiny home proves that small living can still feel big. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.